Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've always wanted to learn programming but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how you can learn programming using AI tools even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover the best tools, smart ways to use them, and few do's and don'ts to make your journey faster and much more effective. Let's get started. Learning programming can feel overwhelming. You are hit with syntax errors, hundreds of tutorials, and languages that all look confusing. But here's the truth. You don't have to figure it out all alone. Thanks to AI tools, you can now learn coding like you have a personal mentor sitting right beside you. Let's look at a few AI tools that can help you learn programming effectively. First, GitHub Copilot. This works directly inside VS Code. It suggests code, explains snippets, and even help you fix errors in real time. Second, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and Cloud AI. They are great for asking questions like explain this Python error in simple terms or show me how to create REST API in Java. Third, CursorAI. This contains code completion, inline explanation, tool integration, all powered by AI. The idea isn't to let AI do all the work. It's to use it as a coach that helps you understand what is happening behind the scene. Here's where most learners go wrong. They'll just ask AI to write the full code. That doesn't teaches you anything. Instead, ask questions that make you think. What does this code do? Why is this error happening? Can you explain this step by step? Can you rewrite this using a different approach? For example, when you are learning Python, you can go to any AI tool and ask, what is Python list and how is it different from an array? AI will explain this completely and that's how you will actually learn. Once you understand the basic, start building mini projects with AI guidance, of course. There are some example ideas like a calculator in Python, a simple REST API in Spring Boot, or a to-do list app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Ask AI to guide you step by step, but type the code yourself. This will build muscle memory and understanding. Errors are your best teacher. When you see a red line under a code, just don't copy and paste and ask AI. Instead, think, what does this error mean? How can I fix it? AI will not only fix it, but it will also explain why it has happened. That's how you go from a copy paste coder to an actual developer. Here's a simple AI powered roadmap for learning programming. Pick one language, start with Python or JavaScript. Ask AI to teach you syntax, loops, and conditionals with examples. Practice small challenges. Ask AI to quiz you. Build small projects. AI can generate ideas and help debug. Learn Git and GitHub. AI can explain every command. And collaborate. Ask AI to simulate a code review for your project. Here's the golden rule. AI should accelerate your learning, not replace it. If you copy code without understanding it, you will get stuck as soon as there is something going wrong. But if you ask AI why something works, you'll start thinking like a real developer. Now let me ask AI to do something for me. Here in Gemini, I'm going to ask it a question to write a Python function to check if a number is prime. AI has suggested the code. Now the next step is to explain the logic line by line. When I ask that, it is going to explain for loop, conditions, return statement, everything. And just like that, you've learned how loops, conditions, and everything including returns, import works. This is faster than reading 10 tutorials. So that's how you can learn programming using AI smartly, effectively, and without burning out. Let's recap. You have to use AI tools as your coding mentors, ask questions to understand concepts, build projects to apply what you have learned. Keep coding, keep experimenting, and let AI be your guide, not your crutch. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below what AI tools you are using to learn programming. See you in the next one.